Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're struggling to generate leads, close sales, or increase ROI in your business, you're going to love today's video. Because I'm reviewing a brand new product called Lead Generation Ninja, a step-by-step system that shows you exactly how to attract more leads, convert them into high-paying customers, and finally grow your business the smart way. And guess what? It's launching for just .7 one time, so stay with me until the end, because I'll show you the bonuses you get when you grab your copy today. Let me ask you a quick question. Are you lacking leads in your business? Are you struggling to turn cold leads into paying clients? Or maybe you just want a proven system to increase your marketing ROI. If you answered yes to any of these, then this training is going to be a game changer. Because here's the truth. Without leads, your business cannot grow. And if you don't know how to nurture and convert them, you're leaving serious money on the table. That's exactly why Lead Generation Ninja was created. So, what exactly is Lead Generation Ninja? It's a step-by-step guide that shows you how to understand the different types of leads, cold, warm, and qualified. Build an email list and follow-up system. Write high-converting squeeze pages and landing pages. Use tools like HubSpot and Salesforce effectively. And most importantly, turn those leads into paying customers. This isn't just theory. It's a complete blueprint you can use to create a predictable system for generating leads and sales in ANY niche. Now, here's where it gets even better. When you grab Lead Generation Ninja, you also get some powerful fast action bonuses. Bonus 1. Point-by-point checklist. A quick summary to keep you on track. Bonus 2. Resource cheat sheet. A Rolodex of the best tools, blogs, and resources to help you move faster. Bonus 3. Mind map. A visual overview of the entire strategy, so you never lose sight of the big picture. These bonuses alone could save you hours of trial and error. Now let's talk about the price. The front-end offer is just $7 one-time for the full Lead Generation Ninja Guide and all the bonuses. That's right, not a monthly subscription, just $7. And there's an optional upgrade, the Lead Generation Ninja video course for only $27. This upgrade is perfect if you prefer learning by watching step-by-step video tutorials. Honestly, for under $35, you're getting a complete system for lead generation, something that could make you thousands back. And to remove all the risk, this comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So, you can grab it today, try it out, and if you're not happy, you get your money back, no questions asked. That means the only risk is not taking action. Alright, so let's recap. You're getting the Lead Generation Ninja Guide checklist, cheat sheet, mind map, optional video upgrade for even faster results, 30-day money-back guarantee, all for just $7 today. So if you're serious about finally generating more leads and closing more sales, click the link below this video right now and grab your copy of Lead Generation Ninja before the price goes up. I'm personally excited about this because it's rare to find such a complete system at this price point. So, don't wait. Click the link below and get started today. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this review helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more reviews, and let me know in the comments if you're grabbing Lead Generation Ninja. This is your chance to finally master lead generation. So grab it today. Click the link in the description and I'll see you inside.